ever watch a movie and halfway through you just go, yeah, this doesn't feel real anymore? And it's not because they used CGI. It's because they used CGI to replace something that would have worked better if it had stayed real. The exact same thing is happening right now with AI. Before anybody jumps in, no, the tech isn't the problem. The problem is how it's being used. There's a saying in film that I appreciate. There's no such thing as no CGI, only invisible CGI. And honestly, that applies almost perfectly to AI. CGI works when it supports reality, when it cleans things up, extends a set, or removes wires. Doesn't draw your eye to an uncanny valley. You don't notice it, and that's the point. But the moment CGI starts replacing actors, replacing practical effects, replacing real environments because it's cheaper, easier, faster, it sticks out like a sore thumb. The suspension of disbelief is broken. And once you see the cheat, the illusion is gone. AI is doing the same thing, just way faster. AI dialogue, AI voices, AI characters. Those aren't tools. They're substitutions. And substitutions remove the humanity, flaws and all. AI doesn't understand why a choice was made. It doesn't understand context or intent. It just predicts what comes next. And that's great for autocomplete, but it's pretty crappy for creativity and storytelling. Here's my mantra. AI should never replace people where people already do it better. Actors, writers, performers, artists. Practical effects anchor a scene in reality, keeps it in the camera. Real actors have presence, nuance, flaws, imperfections, gait, and motion. Technology should support this creativity, not override it. And yeah, this script is AI assisted. I wrote the ideas, I wrote the argument. AI helped tighten it up to make it more algorithmic friendly. But this is still me. This is my voice. These are my words, my thoughts, my feelings. It actually took longer to use AI than it would have been to craft this 100% on my own. But YouTube has Gemini out there boosting content that uses these algorithmic friendly methods. AI as a tool to augment my workflow is fine. It isn't here to replace me. But the moment something exists only because it was cheaper or easier to generate than to create, that feeling of uncanny valley hits. That something is wrong vibe. Your brain is telling you what you're consuming isn't real. And once you feel it, you're out. This isn't an anti-technology rant. It's a call to action to forego human creativity replacement. CGI didn't ruin movies. Well, maybe a little. Using it to replace people, making fantasy into unreality. That's where CGI destroys film and TV. And look, AI won't ruin creativity either, provided it continues to be a tool to supplement and not replace. But cutting real humans out of the process, that absolutely will. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Shane R. Monroe. If you like this video, consider a like, sub, or share, and do leave a comment down below, but let's keep it civil down there, shall we? All of this helps the channel grow, and we appreciate it. Take care, and we'll see you next time.